In the world of business, trust is everything. And at the foundation of that trust are auditors, the independent financial detectives who scrutinize an organization's financial records to ensure accuracy, compliance, and transparency. Whether it's a global corporation or a public sector body, auditors provide crucial assurance that financial statements present a true and fair view. If you have a meticulous eye for detail, a strong analytical mind, an ethical compass, and thrive on investigative problem solving, then becoming an auditor in the UK could be an intellectually stimulating, impactful, and highly rewarding career path. Let's examine the details and explore what it truly takes to build a career in financial assurance. Part 1: Qualifications and courses you need. The most fundamental step and almost universally required for a career as a qualified auditor is obtaining professional accountancy qualifications. These are rigorous, industry-recognized qualifications that are highly valued globally and often mandatory for progression. The main professional bodies in the UK that train auditors are IQ, Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales, offers the ACA, Associate Chartered Accountant, qualification. This is a highly prestigious qualification, typically pursued by those working in public practice like accounting firms, particularly in audit and assurance. The ACA involves 15 exams across 3 levels: certificate, professional, advanced, professional development, and crucially, 450 days of practical work experience, also known as a training contract, typically taking around 3 to 5 years to complete while working for an authorized training employer, often an accounting firm. ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, offers the ACCA qualification. This is a globally recognized qualification, also covering audit. It involves 13 exams with potential exemptions for relevant degrees and 3 years of practical experience in a relevant accounting or audit role. It offers flexibility in how you study and gain experience. While these professional qualifications are paramount, a university degree is a very common and highly recommended starting point for most aspiring auditors. Many new entrants hold a bachelor's or integrated master's degree in accounting, finance, economics, mathematics, business studies, or a related quantitative discipline. These degrees provide a strong theoretical foundation in financial principles, quantitative analysis, and business operations. Universities across the UK, like the London School of Economics, LSE, University of Warwick, Bayes Business School, and the University of Manchester, offer excellent undergraduate and postgraduate programs that can set you up well for a career in audit. If your degree is in a non-accounting subject, you may need to take conversion courses or specific modules to gain exemptions from some initial professional exams. Apprenticeships offered by accounting firms including the Big Four, like Deloitte, PwC, EY, KPMG, as well as mid-tier and smaller firms. These apprenticeships leading to qualifications from bodies like the Association of Accounting Technicians, AAT levels 3 or 4, which can then provide a stepping stone to pursuing the ACA or ACCA professional qualifications. Some higher-level apprenticeships even integrate directly with the ACA or ACCA qualifications. Part 2, Behind the Financial Curtain, What an Auditor Does. The core work of an auditor is to provide an independent opinion on whether an organization's financial statements, like the balance sheet and profit and loss account, present a true and fair view of its financial position and performance, and whether they comply with relevant accounting standards and legal requirements. This helps build trust for investors, regulators, and other stakeholders. Key tasks often include planning the audit. This involves understanding the client's business, industry, and risks, and developing an audit strategy tailored to that client. Assessing internal controls is a crucial part. Evaluating the systems and processes a company has in place to manage its finances, prevent fraud, and ensure accuracy. This helps determine the level of testing required. Performing audit tests is a major responsibility. This involves examining financial records, reviewing transactions, balances, and documentation. Auditors use various techniques, including sampling, selecting a subset of transactions to test, Analytical procedures, comparing current figures to past trends or industry benchmarks, and substantive testing, verifying balances and transactions directly. You'll be gathering evidence to support your audit opinion, which can involve interviewing staff, inspecting physical assets, and obtaining external confirmations. Identifying and evaluating audit risks is constant, looking for areas where financial statements might be misstated, either due to error or fraud. Working with client staff is essential, requesting information, clarifying transactions, and discussing findings. This requires good interpersonal skills. Documenting all audit work is meticulous, preparing detailed working papers that record the audit procedures performed, the evidence gathered, and the conclusions reached. This documentation is critical for supporting the audit opinion and for regulatory review. Discussing audit findings with clients is a key communication task, explaining identified issues, recommendations for improvement, and any adjustments needed to their financial statements. Finally, you'll formulate and issue the audit report, which is the independent opinion on the financial statements, a crucial document for stakeholders. Keeping up to date with accounting standards like IFRS or UK GAAP, audit regulations, and financial technologies is vital in this evolving field. It's a role that demands exceptional analytical skills, meticulous attention to detail, strong problem-solving abilities, and an unwavering commitment to professional standards. Part 3: Key Qualities and Traits You Need. Firstly, a razor-sharp analytical mind and excellent problem-solving skills are absolutely fundamental. Auditors constantly encounter complex financial scenarios, discrepancies, and risks, requiring them to analyze vast amounts of data, diagnose issues systematically, and develop effective solutions. Meticulous attention to detail and a high level of accuracy are absolutely paramount. Errors in audit work can compromise the independence and reliability of the audit opinion. So a precise and rigorous approach to examining financial records, performing tests, and documenting findings is essential at all times. A strong sense of integrity, ethics, and independence is non-negotiable. Auditors provide an independent check on financial statements, and you must maintain objectivity, challenge assumptions, and act with unwavering honesty and ethical conduct to build and maintain trust in financial reporting. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills are vital. You'll be interviewing client staff, discussing findings with management, and explaining complex audit concepts to diverse audiences. A healthy degree of professional skepticism is crucial. You need to be able to question assumptions, look beneath the surface, and challenge explanations when necessary, without being cynical. Strong organizational skills and the ability to manage multiple tasks and deadlines are important, as you'll often be working on several client audits simultaneously, each with strict timelines. Comfort with technology and data analytics tools is increasingly essential, as modern auditing relies heavily on data-driven approaches. Finally, resilience and adaptability are beneficial, as audit work can be demanding, involves travel, and requires adapting to different client environments and unexpected findings. If you combine analytical prowess, meticulousness, unwavering integrity, strong communication, and professional skepticism, then becoming an auditor could be your perfectly aligned career path. Part 4: Career Progression and Opportunities. Career progression within an accounting firm typically starts as a graduate trainee or audit assistant, working towards your professional qualification, ACA or ACCA. Once qualified, you progress to an audit senior or supervising associate role, leading smaller audit teams, managing more complex audit sections, and taking greater responsibility for client engagements. With further experience and demonstrated leadership potential, you can advance to audit manager, senior audit manager, and ultimately audit partner within the firm. Becoming a partner is the pinnacle of progression in public practice, involving sharing in the firm's ownership, profits, and strategic direction, and often managing a portfolio of major audit clients. Specialization is a key pathway for career advancement and increased expertise within auditing. You might choose to specialize in auditing specific industries like financial services audit, public sector audit, tech audit, energy audit. Or you want to specialize in specific types of audit like IT audit, auditing IT systems and controls, forensic audit, investigating fraud, or internal audit, working within a company to assess its internal controls and risk management. Becoming a specialist in a high demand niche makes you highly sought after and often leads to working on complex, high value engagements. Beyond audit specific roles, the ACA ACCA qualification and audit experience are incredibly versatile. Many auditors transition into senior finance roles in industry, becoming financial controllers, finance managers, or even chief financial officers for companies across various sectors, leveraging their deep understanding of financial reporting and controls. Other common transitions include moving into consultancy roles, management consulting, risk consulting, financial accounting or management accounting roles in diverse businesses, or roles within regulatory bodies like the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, or the Prudential Regulation Authority, PRA. Some also move into forensic accounting or academia, teaching accounting, or audit. The career ladder in auditing is well defined and offers significant opportunities for continuous professional growth, specialization, leadership, and strategic impact within accounting, finance, and the wider business world. If you have a meticulous eye for detail, a sharp analytical mind, an unwavering ethical compass, and are ready to contribute directly to financial transparency and trust, then explore the resources mentioned, pursue the right professional qualifications, and start building your audit career. Thanks for watching Career Chronicles UK. Don't forget to subscribe for more career advice videos.